Hey Chad, crazy day my end, crazy day. How are you guys doing? Okay, let's hop into this over here. Start off with DXY. We went through that level over here. Asian low untested. We fill this gap down here as well. Let me just go to the 4 hour and double check the zone. Okay, so we finally actually hit this demand zone over here. This is beautiful. So if we look at the breaks of structure over here, break of structure, here was the supply zone. So here we can see that flip coming through, break through that level. So literally, I think the 50% of Asia, if we can have DXY retrace into this level, we will see price starting to push towards the upside. Hey Tian, welcome man. Hope you're doing well. So this is the Asia low over here. If you guys can share the stream, I would really appreciate it. So I will have to see DXY trade down because we're currently below the yellow box. So I need to see price hit this level before pushing towards the upside. Oh, I will say first of all, this is amazing. This is really amazing. The stream's not lagging or anything like that. The new Wi-Fi is really doing its thing. Let me just see how it looks. Okay, it's looking good. Not bad at all. Literally no problems at all. Yeah, this is beautiful, man. Okay, so looking at EU over here, we can see price did react off this level here yesterday. So remember, yesterday I was looking for sales on EU, but unfortunately I didn't get that move. Just gonna remove this over here. So same thing, just gonna refine this level to the 50%. So I want to enter below that level. Let's go look at the 5 minute. So this is beautiful. I think this candle will hold my zone of interest. So we can actually see we marked out the flip here yesterday. So if I can actually get in on this fair value gap, will be beautiful. I'll mark it out like this. Start looking for a long around this area. Okay, hope you guys can see that. So I want to see EU push down to this level over here before looking for buys. Purely taking this based on structure. Below the Asian range, Asian high untested. So literally just taking it based on that. Let's look at GU real quick. Oh, this is beautiful. I would love to actually see straight break through that level. Okay, interesting. So maybe around this level I will look for a short. So that will be my zone on GU. Let's look at US30. Just remove this. Okay, we way below that level. I like what I see here. Let's go refine this level real quick. Ooh, it's already been refined. Let's go on the 5 minute. Just want to have that perfect reaction zone. Okay, so here we kind of had that tap into that level. So we'll use this low of yesterday. Oh, I'll have to see what price does over here at this level. So we do have the supply zone over here. If you can see some sort of flip come through or some sort of reaction, then I will see from there. See you Nasdaq been moving to the upside. See, it's weird because USD is dropping, Nasdaq is rising. So one of them is lying. I think it's US30. I can only look for sales up there on Nasdaq. Can't look for longs on here either, so not gonna get involved there. So my main pairs I'll be looking at will be GU, EU, and US30. See what gold is doing. Jesse gold. Gold did its thing. You'll have to wait for gold to trade down here as well. Okay, it's Friday as well, guys, so I'm gonna be very conservative on my moves. Oil, reaction from this level, change of character. Okay, well, technically flip. I don't like that Asian, and the amount is so matter of waiting here for me, guys. I have to wait. But okay, what are you guys looking at? Is Jason here? I wonder if Jason's on stream. Yeah, me and Jason went to go view the property today. It was really cool. For EU, for sales, I'll have to execute some potential sales from more or less around this point. So that'll be my target on EU. Tend to see something nice play out. Let's hope we get something here on the day. I'll be very honest, I'm overwhelmed with excitement, so yeah, I don't know how to feel. Gold pushing down there. Just gotta be mindful of this level here as well. Sorry guys, I think there's someone at the door. Sorry guys, just someone here. Just give me like 2 minutes quickly. There we go. I am back. I am back. Oh, guys, I just realized there's no music playing. You guys aren't even saying anything. I've been jamming alone, yeah. Okay, EU. US30. What's your plan, US30? Wanna see what price is gonna do, yeah? See if they're gonna take out this low. But I wanna see something like this happen. Something like this. And I execute around here. Or alternatively, I wanna see a straight pump through. So patiently waiting there. Yo guys, like, yo, I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel. I feel so jittery. Okay, seems like we're continuing there. Oh, I forgot we have fast Wi-Fi. I can open more than one tab. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy that we won't ever lag on stream again. I can really feel how fast the Wi-Fi. I'm sure you guys can also see how fast the response time is compared to other streams we've had. Like, we literally just click on it and it would open. You know, so that's pretty cool.
Enter the thrilling world of
Not really want to trade. Like, I'm itching to take a position. Yes, this is massive. So literally, if we just talk at that high, that's like 250 pips.
Here's a reason for niggas that's hating without one, that always let their mouth run. Bench players talking like starters, I hate it. Started from the bottom, now we here, nigga, we made it. Yeah, time for a Tuscan leather smelling like a brick. Degenerates, but even Ella love our shit. Rich enough that I don't have to tell them that I'm rich. Self-explanatory.
Okay, so some potential there on UJ as well. Oh, there's so many lines there. Let's see what thing you're gonna do.
Young rebel, young money, nothing you could tell me. Paperwork taking too long, maybe they don't understand me. I compromise if I have to, I gotta stay with the family. Not even talking to Nikki, communication is breaking. I dropped the ball on some personal shit, I need to embrace it. I'm honest, I make mistakes, I'll be the second to admit it. Then guess why I need it in my life to check me when I'm tripping. On a mission trying to shift the culture. Tell me who dissing, I got some things that I hit the culprit. Them strep throat flows, some shit to stop all of the talking. All of the talking, got one reply for all of your comments. Fuck what you think, I'm too busy, that's why you leave a message. Born a perfectionist, guess that makes me a bit obsessive. That shit I heard from you lately really relieved some pressure. Like, AB, I got your CD, you get an E for effort. I piece letters together and get to talking reckless. I'll change like credentials, you know you see the necklace. My life's a completed checklist. I'm tired of hearing about who you checking for now. Just give it time, we'll see you still around a decade from now. That's real.
Okay, further break there on US30. We're gonna see what that's gonna do here at this level. EU pushing up. Let's see what DXY is gonna do. DXY pushing down.
How much time is this nigga spending on the intro? Lately I've been feeling like God Pierce a memento. I just set the bar, niggas fall under it like a limbo. The family, all that matters, I'm just out here with my kinfolk. Off everything my pen wrote, we went from Bundy to Winslow. This for shorty up on Glen Grove who love when I catch my tempo. I sip the pourer and listen to Capadonna. The Fresh Princess at dinner with Tatiana, no lie. All these 90s fantasies on my mind. The difference is that with mine, they all come true in due time. I might come through without security to check if you're fine. That's just me on my solo, like fuck it, like YOLO. Wanted to tell you, accept yourself. You don't have to prove shit, then no one accept yourself. And if you end up needing some extra help,
There's no news today, man.
you know, back on your feet and shit. Trying to get my karma up, fuck the guilty and greedy shit. How much time is this nigga spending on the intro? How this nigga working like he got a fucking twin, though? Life is sounding crazy, 40 on Martin Scorsese, and I wouldn't change a thing if you pay me, man. Real nigga, what's up?
Okay, so home sales.
Hey. Yeah.
That's later on.
How much time is this nigga spending on the intro?
I'll see you when you get there. Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh, sorry guys. I see Thingy released a new song. Thingy released a new song. Early B.
Yo, zijn vrouw anders met op het droog beat, dus wacht tijd. En wij zijn bababaken, laat ik smaak gooi. Van ik zie Afrikaanse draak, wat al die naam bespamp en al die vlammen slaan en alleen. Oké.
Oh, seems like too much.
Naam of die boord vol ijs. En man, ik lag bij maken rip, like ik heb een dom te proeven. Anders van die floppen dollar vrouw prijs. Ja, zij zo wil je van die mannen, man. Als ik tip in de camera zie ik ze van anders op in de place. Zeggen we basie mannetjes, wat aan die basis getel. Ik zaag de toe, zei. Paas, man, ik heb de gedaan, man. Ik zijn een soldaat, man. Ik dol lang, zei. Zelf je dan visie best te breken, nikken van ik kan stappen en plikken op de tikken van die floppen down. Zei, man, ik kom gewoon naar de radio. Wat die al gedaan, die man, is zo zei. I was like, kom met af te kraak, maar wat de kwam, want zaad als ik kraak van de andere man. Kijk, brade, je slaan je naam en een plak aan. Zei, ze die was stap, boer, stop floppen naar. Laat die bij gaan, nee, go, spij maak. Zei, dat het time raakt, zelfs aan mobiel die vast kijkt. Hoi, checkers, hoi, ik breng het. Niks man van die boot, ik breng het. Ik rug het, ik is het. Man is steeds op top, ik bug het. Ik spinnen, wie zullen. Wat je boerenman
Yeah, that's a bit hectic though.
This
Yeah,
groundbreaking AI model transforms
that sounds
your
that's a
simple
little
product
bit too much.
into stunning, high-quality product.
I'm never gonna be able to do it any better than what they did. This is just my version.
I've been looking for this for so long. Okay, EU pushing up a bit, DXY pushing down a bit. This does not sound like the thing I was looking for. Sorry guys, this is not what I'm looking for. This is not what I'm looking for.
By the way, I'm never. This is.
Oh shit guys, my bad man. There was something I'm looking forward to take on stream, but it's okay. Okay, USD pushing down, NASDAQ pushing up. Ooh, this is weird.
In my life, some days I testify into eights like saints on Sundays. Cause I've been through the sewage and come back unfazed. Now my music's my temple of worship, so come praise. Now let me reintroduce myself, I'm Sarak. They call me Red or Shorty for short on my block. Ain't had no bread, fam kept me fed on Garvey and Gil Scott, so I'd keep a real shot. Now I'm trigger happy, busting too often for my esophagus. Offer my soul up in every reverse on my consciousness. CDC maybe, but I'm bigger than a metropolis. Super manifest of my lane from crib to sarcophagus. I ain't gon' lie, low recognition would be dope. Cause I be chanting just like a penance, I'm Nick remote. The ghost of my past, the man in the hot, my every quote. Into the truth is my future, just like an antidote. Hand to God. Once or twice, I guess 10 albums of evidence just did not suffice. This word don't fit me, I'm wearing it like a faulty size.
Okay, let's see what's gonna happen here in US30.
They call me Occupy, but most of my lines don't see light of day like they track you live. And so afraid that my honesty would get me ostracized. Cause I can't prove this shit to you, bro, I'm just hypothesizing. Now know one thing for sure, they ain't looking for authentic. Homie, all these rappers is plastic and freshly augmented. Seem like real shit off the table, unfamiliar, off limits. All my views is super black, like the windows is all tinted. That's my truth, I don't deny you yours. I'm trying to leave a hip-hop classic, bomb your train of thought like Star Wars. With stories of how I earn these stripes, we'll call that Tiger Lord. Legend of beauty and beast and internal dialogue. Hand to God. Try to bury my self-worth and call it suicide. I object. I came too far and fought too hard to be a prior threat. It's clear present danger lurking in my dialect. And turbulence in every piece that I intrigue. Get them peeking out my flying. Holy shit, it's prophesied, I guess. Like I wasn't supposed to make it past the first year. Now I'm in the Twin Cities rocking pink coats of cashmere. Y'all don't make this album fly and think about jetting NAS100. But I got in the game to make some kind of change. Cashier. So what do you suggest? Should I walk it out? Get 3 stacks on the track, one more I cast to talk about. I'm on my own path, have no other plans to stalk your route. So I'm gonna leave this here, dope artifacts from rock, I'm out. Hand to God.
Okay, guys, just to go pick up something quickly. We are waiting here on US30. I'll be right back. If you leave, it's not really my problem. You're gonna miss out on the trade, and if you lose money, then you're gonna come to me and say, "Hey, Jeff, like, bro, I should have stayed on stream." So don't do that to yourself. Okay. Wait, why did it stop playing? Okay, US30 trading back above that level. We're gonna see if we have a reaction here. Still waiting on gold, waiting on EU, waiting on GU, waiting on oil.
5 minutes with God. Really all I need is 5 minutes with God. I'm just here to speak for the people down here, cause there's so much shit we've been thinking about. It's like, I know you understand, I'm stressing. Trying to understand these blessings, but I'm turning on the news and I see another dude killing people with an automatic weapon. I don't want pain no more. You put another city underwater, man, we can't take the rain no more. Everybody got answers and we all point fingers, but nobody left to even take the blame no more. Just give me 5 minutes with God. Really all I need is 5 minutes to talk. Maybe this the way that it's supposed to be, but I'm feeling like we left in the dark. For real though, think about it each year. Why we gotta leave here? What we really need here? Ay, love that you made, it's a beautiful earth, but why'd you leave all the cancer and disease here? I don't know what's worse, growing up in a broken home or growing up home alone. Trying to talk to
Oh, this NASDAQ looks interesting, but
no one's home. I'm putting all my prayers in a wish list. I know
I would expect this to happen on it,
and even if you can't help us, maybe you could do it for our kids.
but we'll see. We'll see.
Maybe you could do it for our kids. We just out here trying to live. 5 minutes with God. Really all I need is 5 minutes with God. I'm just here to speak for the people down here, cause there's so much shit we've been thinking about. It's like 5 minutes with God, really all I need is 5 minutes to talk. Maybe this the way that it's supposed to be, but I'm feeling like we left in the dark, for real though. Why you gotta make us suffer? How you gonna take my brother? Why'd you make these rich, money hungry motherfuckers run the world and turn us all up against each other? Demons in our souls can't hide the monster, that's why I so divide and conquer. Shit, but I know if you ever did say something back, you would tell me just to grind and prosper. Every little thing that I jot down, setting me free, letting me be, giving me clarity. Yeah, I'm just trying to hold my own, protect my fam and embrace the weather. Glad you understand, cause everybody else really think I got my shit together. So, give me 5 minutes with God. Really all I need is 5 minutes with God. I'm just here to speak for the people down here, cause there's so much shit we've been thinking about. It's like 5 minutes with God. Really all I need is 5 minutes to talk. Maybe this the way that it's supposed to be, but I'm feeling like we left in the dark, for real though. I know you understand I'm stressed, trying to understand these blessings. I know you understand I'm trying to understand these. I know you understand I'm stressing, trying to understand these blessings. I know you understand I'm trying to understand them.
Yes, Lord. I bet you feel so high, got your head in the cloud, but you still come around like, I see what you started, I know what you promised, you're on and you're popping like, soon as you put your feet to the ground, I lace you with a packet, I allow some of that. Was the same back then as you are now, let's hope you stick around, come on. Yeah, I see you shining, nigga, go and get yours. Yeah. Say when you come around, and don't forget about me.
Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention this. Almost said Volt Markets. Luxe Markets 200% bonus accounts are now available.
All my niggas is niggas. Brush my teeth while I figure how to get up on these riches. Cause the actor is rented, and I need something more tenant. Hop in the whip and we been it. I call that whip Betty White. Oh, white thing, like money they countin'. I see
200% bonus on your deposit.
out the window, I'm leaning. Get out my lane, and when I get it, ain't gon' change, my nigga. I'ma still be the same regular ass nigga talking that. I bet you feel so high, got your head in the cloud, but you still come around like, I see what you started, I know what you promised, you're on and you're popping like, soon as you put your feet to the ground, I lace you with a packet, I allow some of that. It's the same back then as you are now. Let's hope you stick around. Come on. I'm a window for homies. I know all of them watch. Time and time again, reminiscing, remembering blocks. I used to walk around on them. It's been a while, now we back. Gotta speak on it. Used to throw all my dreams in the eye. My mind a hula hoop going around, but got nothing to spare. Nothing to waste. Head in the clouds like I was high on that grape. I'ma pull up in something ignorant. I promise, just watch. Enough to make mama worry about them profiling cops. But I can't change. I was raised by the old ones. And when they see me, they be like, what you know?
Oh damn.
Don't forget all your family and where you came from. Money change, your spirit shouldn't change none. Yeah, I know it, I'm dope. All my homies, they do. Malcolm man and Kami, I'm humble as Gandhi though. Straight out my mama, came out of a straight out of Compton flow. I'm an animal on it with Anderson. I love you, Bo. We on that. Go on, shoot your shot. Show 'em you can box. We won't ever stop. That's that puffy in me. One up to the block, headed to the top. Got them things slapping in the car like, who that coming around the way? Come around the way. Damn, you fine as hell. Come around this way. Roll the window down. Yeah, I like 'em brown. Really light 'em brown. Where we going now? Up the way where the boys at. Then wear your good clothes, cause the homies that smoke that. And my homies all know that. My head's in the clouds.
Yeah, it is so slow. The market is so slow, it's like standing still.
Better gets me tell 'em, put the money in my hand already. Banging on the cans, break it down. And everybody, what they saying now? I play you out of your bronze. They have you running up the blinds, taking they pom-poms, cheering for me and my team. While we eating on wonton, squeaking like Miyagi. I shine like the sun, so who you sponsor? I told him I'm a monster like Luke Cage. Take a shot and watch me walk away with just juice.
just to show him this confidence. Like, I bet you feel so high, got your head in the cloud, but you still come around like. I seen what
Come on, US30. Show us something beautiful, man. Nasdaq trading below at level.
you to the ground. I lace you with a packet, allow some of that. Was the same back then as you are now. Let's hope you stick around. Come on.
I really hope the market is more active.
Competitive prices.
Come on, US30. What's your plan? What's your plan?
Condice, Jay-Z tried to kill me. Cut my name whole weight, big pop on the street. Bank rolls full and knock your helicopter police. Power up your colon in the back of Papa Caprice. I'm a hog in the beast, when it's time to vlog, I release like a walking dog on a leash. A frog on a log at the beach. Pause when I jog to the east, picking up fog from cheech. Blowing smoke with the priest, I speak for all with the least. My nigga, you know that I'm awesome still. These other rappers pop pills like a moxicil. While I'm eating chicken fettuccine pasta meals. Cause everything I do huge like a roster kill. Ill. Trick I on hotel rewinder. The shine Diddy Combs is my auntie Yolanda. I'm all about my commas and drama. Come out the llama and Billy Hannes and Palmer, Geronimo, Prado Palmer. I am Adonis, Chandelier, me Walt Disney, Martin Louis, the Dream, Steve Jobs, Bobby and Whitney. Praise issue, I lie the king, how high is he? False literature, the history's dead pygmies. Truth is my mama and her mama had a baby. Now they in trouble cause somebody gotta pay me. Up to my chin and they rebel, that's why they calling me crazy. I got a friend who I love, I married her and that's my lady. Ma, don't be mad, try to feel me, I know your secrets. Screw me, I'ma laugh, do we laugh cause I can't believe this. Ain't nobody thinking about me, they been raping and pimping.
Hey, Nico. Welcome, my brother. Welcome. Waiting on some moves here. Waiting on some moves.
The bondo is wrong, I'm a beast. I get ill, yet I'm strong cause inside lies the beast. I ain't sorry, ain't got a peep, I know your neurology. Everybody proud of me, Satan can't find a way to swallow me. My demons follow me, Illuminati trying to bottle me. Stop trying to holler me and get the people who they wanna see. They calling me the new millennium rock king. Times pop, better than Jigga. Word, my type of nigga. It's obviously safe to say I'm the pick of the litter. My abominable family trying to make me a critter. Everybody wanna rape my nerves. I ain't scared of you motherfuckers, none of you make me nervous. If you hire me, I do my job and do it perfect. I ain't tripping on none of these bitches because I'm worth it. Yeah, trick. The helicopter come with security, holding choppers, land, hop off the plane, get inside the mouth. But you back when you speak up on my name, I just pray that you do it properly.
Okay.
Best lyricist in the game, probably right
US30
now, pop up.
pumping up there.
Look at me, little nigga. You what it do, I'm what it be, little nigga. To my shoe from my knee, little nigga. I'll air out all your loved ones I see, little nigga. Nah, I ain't fucking
Okay.
till I think you get the picture, spending grands on bitches and a million on
Let's
free.
see.
Ain't shit sweet. Everybody think you like delicious, making ends meet.
This figure yesterday is low.
Assalamu alaikum, thank God for the fix, plotting real big play. Gotta watch for the snakes, driving, waking up late, drip, sweat with my heart throbbing. New Batman, Maybach, triple thread, mobbing. This young man, he play 10, probably end up fucking up Beyonce friends. Fuck 'em so good, they gon' have to make it a trend. Fucking on the golf course and fucking in the bands. Me, I go like me, highs grow. Ain't a nigga in the globe that can be my host. Get a nigga to the bone, make it be my role. Wrist rock, gusto, bitch, CB4. Sick of all the bullshit, put me on the pulpit. Get up on your ass, hit you hard like a mule. Yes, sir, baby. On the radar, radio freestyles. Yo, the one, the only OT, the real in the building. I'ma step out. He gonna step in and kill.
Come on, man.
Let's go.
Markets, do your thing, man. Do your thing. Do your thing. What pairs are available on Lux? All miners. I always tell the exact same thing to everyone, Nico. The only way like to check like is to open an account and like literally go through them. But if I can give you an idea, like I always say, open an account and check them for yourself so you can see the spreads. There's majors, minors, exotics. We have metals, energies, crypto, and indices. Crypto, we only have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The indices, the normal indices that you find on any broker. Energies, oil, and Brent. So basically both crude oil. Metals, we have platinum, gold, silver, and another silver, but the one is US, the other one is euro. And obviously our exotics, minors and majors, but very good spreads. I'm very surprised with EU on the normal standard account. The spread's almost always on zero, so there's like zero spread. But also, Nico, regarding the conversation we had earlier, we were at the office earlier, checked it out, bro. Oh, history is about to be made. I can't wait. I can't wait till we can move in.
Mine's better and I match the price, homie. Put you to the flame slowly like a sacrifice. Mama, don't blame yourself. I guess I always stay myself. When I was young, I robbed some good dudes. I kind of played myself. But when you know nobody's coming, you don't scream for help.
Okay, beautiful.
They rather see me in that three-man cell. Systems got flaws in them. Kids got saws with them. Your man's in the ICU looking like Jaws bit him.
So I want to execute somewhere along this line. So right over here. I'm where they duck the shots. Junkies cop arms and legs look like they got the monkey pox. Look, life ain't a fairy tale. He'll pay 2 racks for an ounce. That's a scary sale. There's fish all on my digi. I got a scaly scale. A little meth too. I could probably bless you. You surrounded by some yes men. You'll probably target this level up here. Take 30s and press them. Looking at this drugs and this money like who's my best friend. Damn. Cause I got pain I'll never TP1 there. And I'll TP2 on the imbalance fall. So not bad at all. Not a bad trade.
Now we on crack in the pot. Ops in the graveyard. Still scream RP Weezy and free AR. They front like they ain't fucking with my shit, but they are. Still serve them gray pieces out the gray car. They say you work hard, you get to play hard. You sell that work hard, you sell yourself up to a state yard. Damn, I guess I'm finally on the radar. Yeah, OT the real. Go get that maxed out everywhere, y'all know what it is. Boom.
I'll come visit when I make a turn in SA. Nah, definitely shit, bro. And our office will be open to our peoples. Our office will be open to our peoples.
Sometimes when I sit back and really let it register, I did everything I said I would and said it first. I mean the world's in denial, but they all know what I'm headed for. We about to feed these youngins to the metaverse. Meanwhile, I'm over here just trying to pen a verse, cause I'm done being extra with the extroverts. The label used to wonder how I'm supposed to stand next to Vert. Probably never thought that I would get these legs to work. I work hard, but hard shit don't need no extra work. That's why I show up in a sweatshirt and let it burn. The world's mine, I just say fuck it, let it turn. The girl's mine, I just say fuck it, have it turn. The ghost call me to the side like can we have a word? I could have
double check at TP 227.
I should be humble, but it's something I just haven't learned. Soon enough, I had to make these bad habits burn. Soon enough, we about to come and get the shit we earn. You're not a fan.
I'm gonna zit de buy limit there on US30.
Remember when you used to be fanned out? I guess when the whole world loves you, people only got one way to stand out. All that time in the kitchen finally panned out. I put some flavor in the pot and took the bland out. I know my grandpa would have a heart attack if I pulled 100 grand out. So I'm not gonna pull 100 grand out. I'm hip hop, do you fully understand? Fully automatic with the jams and it don't jam. At the shows I'm about to start handing out programs, cause y'all need to get with the program. I'm a grown ass man, call me pops, fuck around and take your phone ass man. Everybody know Jack, but they don't know Jack, man. They just know I got the flows and the hoes and the packed out shows. Ain't too many cons when you playing with the pros, except for how your life get exposed. But I make that sacrifice for the life that I chose. I know in Toronto they got salt for the roads, but school's closed to Kentucky, so I liked when it snowed. The kids carry chopsticks, not for rice in a bowl. School counselors all know how they life is at home. Cold like the Minnesota Vikings at home. Before I met Drizzy, I knew he and I would get along. But it's hard to crack jokes when you really want advice. I mean, what's it like to touch gold every time you touch a mic?
Oh, my freaking word, really now, Jevon?
Fucking right, young bachelor. What's a wife? Once in a lifetime, till I say I want it twice. One of a kind, know your everything is one of mine. Wanted posters with my face, they know who I'm wanted by. Yeah.
What size is too big?
Cold hearts and heated floors, no parental guidance, I just see divorce. Therapy sessions, I'm in the waiting room reading Forbes. Abandonment issues, I'm getting treated for. How much water can I fit under the bridge before it overflows? My son's gotta learn that forgiveness is a lonely road. The crib's on his wheel like motorhomes. Niggas love to try and test us like they know what we own. Chubb's got the magazine cover like Rolling Stone, cause we already know how they rock, they throwing stones. Whenever you getting bigger, there's growing pains. I got enough pull to make the city start throwing games. I'm out here making a mockery. I got my realtor out here playing Monopoly. How can I address you when you don't own property? They only finesse you when you don't move properly. Destined for the win, but you don't get a prize out of me. I'm destined for the top, but you can't get a rise out of me. 750 for the round canaries and they glittering.
Oh, I'm just gonna double check this level. Which one was it?
I mean, the PTSD is triggering, the profit is sickening,
the
stones are shivering. Came from the north, but I got hot as fuck, so ain't no shivering. Yeah. Lucky me, people that don't fuck with me are linking up with people that
Hey yo, I mentioned earlier in US30, it risk taker there, catching a falling knife. But nice, beautiful. Where'd you get in it? Long time though, haven't seen you on stream in a very long time. I actually want to speak to you about something, Id. I've been seeing you. I've been seeing you. I've been seeing you.
All I hear is plug talk coming from middlemen. All I hear is tall tales coming from little men. When I say bitch, I'm very rarely referring to women. Most of the bitches I know are niggas, they not even women. I know that sounds like I'm being funny, I'm not even kidding. Same ones that say they run a game when they not even in it. To be honest, y'all financial situations.
Oh, that thing didn't tap there.
How you should take that statement is based on what you're making. Whips and chains like a dominatrix. If I see I spit in your faces. Daytonas with the green faces. Kentucky Derby races. My presence in the spot is so abrasive. Box at the Churchill.
Okay, so nothing yet, yeah. Ooh, look at oil here. Look at oil here. Look at oil here. Yeah, see, where's CJ? This is his pay. Whew. It's a bit tricky. I'll have to wait for a pattern present itself. Yeah, CJ, yeah. I know he loves oil. He loves him some oil.
If you're anything like me, you need a watch that reflects your status in society and doesn't lose its value over time.
This next video here, I was in charge of editing. The video never came out. I ended up going to jail. We're gonna go ahead.
Marathon continues. What? Yeah, I'm a runner.
Come on.
See how long I'm gonna run the game, right? Yeah. I feel brand new like I just started this shit. You sprinters, like it's the beginning. Your legs getting tired. I know y'all
Do you guys want to stream snipe someone? Do you guys want to go stream snipe someone? Chriso, hey Jevon Gold. Hey Chriso, welcome. My outlook on gold, I am waiting for price to trade down below the Asia range, near a daily low around this point, around 29.20. I want to see price reject 29.20. So more or less around that point. I want to see something like this happen. But it's Friday, so I'm not gonna force anything either. Okay, let's see, this will cater for that pullback. How does the Asia range work? So basically, the Asia range, you'll see that the Asia range is usually the slowest moving market. Okay, today's like here's a good example on Nasdaq and US30. You can always see that's the best example. It's always a very tight range, and then London and New York, that's when the volume comes in. So I'll make another example for you. Okay, I'll move to another pair real quick. Just keep an eye on US30. So you'll see here on GU, you'll see little range, more volume in London, Asia. See there, tight. London, London and New York gives you volume. Once again over there, you can see there's some sort of range. London, New York gives you volume. Same thing over here. Same thing over here. So the Asia range, basically, I use it as a guidance system for myself. That if the Asian range is over here, and price does something like this, doesn't matter how far price has moved, my time is very, even if the structure looks something like this, even if the market looks choppy like this, my Asia high and low is the most important thing, because that's where liquidity will be stored, above and below. So basically, once I have my Asia range, if price breaks above Asia, I look for sells. If it breaks below Asia, I look for buys, basically. So you'll see all of my trades below Asia I buy, above Asia I sell. But I guess it also depends on the market structure. It depends on what the market's doing. But it goes way deeper than that. Because initially, the way I see the Asian range is I see it as a consolidation phase. And what I mean by that is, because the market is so slow in that time, I see it as consolidation. And don't get me wrong, I might get hate for what I'm about to say. Even if the market does this in Asia, even if you can see it's clear lower lows, I will still view it as my Asian range, and my high and low of Asia will be my important things that I'll be looking at on that pair, basically. So like I said, once they sweep that level, I'll give you another example why I say that. Because the market is usually slow during that time, you will see the market usually will consolidate, meaning you will have a tight range. The ideal Asian range is tight, like on US30 and Nasdaq. This is why you have such big moves happen throughout the day, because that Asian range is so tight. So the way I see it is, if the market consolidates like this, that means that there is people buying from the bottom, they're looking to buy, and there's people selling from the top. And as you know, with trading, one guy will buy, one guy will sell, and they both think they're smart. But what happens is the people who are buying, they have stop losses below this level over here, and the people who are selling have stop losses above this level. Now it goes way deeper than this. You have to look at B book and A book liquidity providers and ask yourself this question: if the broker purely makes money on the spread or commission, if you blow your account, where does the money go to? The liquidity provider, right? Now people will argue and say, yeah, but whenever you buy, someone sells, this is why they match the orders. But you can't tell me that every single time you sell buy or sell a certain pair at the exact moment somewhere on earth, someone's taking the exact opposite position at the exact same price with the exact same lot size. That's bullshit. So then obviously they say that's when the liquidity provider or your broker takes the other side of the position. But if you then look at it from that standpoint, if someone isn't always there to take your counter trade and you're trading against these big banks, basically they clearly become the enemy. And because we can't see where stop losses are lying in the market, we can't move the market. You and I, we can't move the market. Bro, can't move the market. So these entities basically that have the money in the market, they know where most of the people basically, because remember, they need liquidity to enter and exit positions. I'm gonna take you down a rabbit hole now, Chriso, but the whole idea is basically those stop losses I just referred to above this level. Depending on where the most of volume or where the most money will lie, they will target that zone. Because what happens, if the market does that, we are told that this is resistance. We are told that's resistance, and we are told that this at the bottom is support. Right? Now let's say the market, let's say for instance, like we don't know which side has the most money. Now if the market breaks above this level, what happens? It has broken above resistance. What happens when price breaks above resistance? You look for support. So price breaks above resistance. What does it do? Find support. What now happens? The people who sold here, they got stopped out. They now see they're on the wrong side of the position. What now happens? They bounce on support. They are now being induced to take this move to the upside. But I mean, the move is so obvious. What's going to happen is the people who are now buying, they will commit funds and put stops below the level to protect the low. But because the market makers know this, what will they do? They will most likely manipulate this position so that you will have that move. And that move over there, that come back down either here or here, is where I start looking for my trades. So let's look at an example. So here you can see Asia high. What happens above? It drops. Look at price currently. Price is below this level, so it's going to go back into the range. Let's look at yesterday. So also be mindful, Chriso. Not everything in the market will always be 100%. You won't always be right. Good example was here yesterday. Price broke to the upside. We looked for sells. Perfect tap into that level. We entered this trade. We went break even. But unfortunately, as you can see, the market kept on pushing to the upside. And this is why I am now looking for that move to the downside. Let's make another example. Here you can see price broke above. What did it do? It sold off. Price broke below this level. What did it do? It went back into the range. Same thing over here. Price broke above the range, dropped. Below the range, went up. You can see over here, price never came below this level. So that's still a point of interest. Now you can see over here, price broke above, came in. You can even look at price on top, broke above, came into the zone. Here's another example. Price kept moving to the upside. Here was my supply. You can start looking for sells here or sells up there. But you get what I'm trying to say. It happens over and over. And you can really keep it trading simple by looking at things this way. It's a very mechanical structure, a very mechanical approach, because you want to see a lot of confluence and a lot of things happen at once. And obviously, if it doesn't happen, your trade gets invalidated. But if Chriso, if you want to have a deeper chat on this, you can hit me up on WhatsApp using this link in the chat. You'll see a WhatsApp link will pop up there now.
Chevy. Yeah. Overtime. Cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong.
And so you see the exact same reason why I'm looking to buy here. Look what happened today. Went above, it sold off, it's below. So I'm expecting price to trade at least towards that low again. You're welcome, man. Not a problem at all.
somebody that people like.
Tap it. There we go. Should be tapped in.
This world and this music biz. I just want all of this paper up. So maybe I can try and change the shit. Maybe me, I'm too ambitious. Or maybe this a new dimension. Maybe them they too religious. Maybe they judge my intentions. But either way, I'm on my mission. In the sky, for our love, I'm a tired ribbon. Life's a bitch, lady, love my women. Forever you my lady, I'm your fucking nigga. Overtime.
Okay, I'm in there.
I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now them niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nice.
Guys, I had to run to the door quickly with the groot P. I was just waiting to see that tap in. But I'm gonna go find the market maker quickly. You see, Chriso, I'm gonna find the market maker quickly, and then when I come back, we're gonna be in deep profits.
If you look at like the movie industry, you don't basically set off how many tickets sold. You like, what's the gross? How much gross? Period. Right? When it comes to business, the bottom line is, we in business to make money. How much you gross? And so it's like, I feel like it's a looming question mark over Hollywood, over the entertainment music industry. What's the new business model? And to me, the people that lead to that answer, and then they intelligence, they hustle, they effort, they mind power, they, whatever they can offer to that question, and to fixing that and coming up with an answer to that, I feel like that's one of the most important things going on. Like in the 60s, they were trying to get to space. It was the race space. They were trying to go to, the moon, and then it was like, they had industrial revolutions. Right now, I think it's the business model creators of this new era that's going to be able to be the titans of business moving forward. People that create new business models, as well as products that, are sold and consumed, and services that are consumed via these models. But I feel like the giants are going to be the ones who create the business models. That's what we're trying to do with this product today. Fuck the little man. And, this Disruptors Multimedia collab that I'm doing with Ryan Legend.
Overtime, 'cause I ain't have a mic. I was in that Chevy playing Savage Life. Niggas looking like I had it wrong. Now them niggas know I had it right. They don't know about them sleepless nights. Them looking for a reason nice. They said 6 degrees of life. Opportunity, preparation, they meet us nice.
Just look at that. Just look at that. What did I say? Didn't I say I'm gonna go phone the market maker? Didn't I say I'm gonna go phone the market maker? You guys think I'm lying? Okay, we can minimize our risk. Or I'm gonna minimize my risk. Cut my stop in half. How did I see this 5 minute?
I know one day I would do it real big, real shit, real shit. I know what my real niggas feel is. Nighttime, love songs, and even see the stars, but we still wish. Real shit, real shit. Who would ever thought that we would build this? Tryna walk to school, get your jaw socked. Tryna pump your gas, get your car shot. Large profit margin on the long shots. Cause young niggas really make it off of art block. Nighttime, low song. Fucking young bitches while they folks home. High school, didn't go. Couldn't understand my plan, now you niggas know. Self-made, well paid. I'm
from where they tell you never touch the shell case. I'm from where they teach you never trust a pale face. Let's talk banging, I can tell you about a failed race. Real shit, real shit. I know what my real niggas feel is. Nighttime, Luxe on. Fucking young bitches while they folks on. Real big, real big. I know one day I would do it real big. Real shit, real shit. I know what my real niggas feel is. Nighttime, Luxe on. And even see the stars, but we still wish. Real shit, real shit. Who would ever thought that we would build this? Sold out shows, that's a door split. Niggas ain't show up, that's a forfeit. Left my record label, just got more rich. I switched it up, that's me singing on the chorus. But still I spit bars so gutter. Drive cars, no stutter. Top floor, no clutter.
You know, I just realized actually we might have adjusted our stop too quickly. Okay, that's me stopped out. That's me stopped out. Still a beautiful trade though. That was beautiful. Minimize the risk, followed our plan. Out with half of that, minus 20. But you know, we can't control the market. We had a beautiful entry. Doesn't seem like they were ready yet. That sucks though. That really sucks. Look at that. Look at this. But then again, see why you're conservative and see why you must manage risk. You see, you would have been stopped out with like, you know, so this is why you have to follow your plan to the T. Well, I guess that's the end of the stream for me because that's the only trade I was eyeing. Currently GU is heading up. Let's see, EU heading up. What's gold doing? Hey, that sucks, eh? That really sucks. But also in my defense, I haven't traded Forex in so long, so my trades have been very slow the last 2 weeks ever since the Luxe launch. So I'm still trying to find my edge as well on the Forex side of things again. But like I said, now followed the plan to the T. We saw this supply in this level over here as well, so we wanted that to cater for a pullback based on this change of character over here. But unfortunately, no, it's one of those things. One of those things. That was a what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minute trade. 7 minute trade. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of my trading day. Yeah, the timing is also don't wanna get involved. Don't wanna get involved. What did NASDAQ do? See, I want to say one of them was lying. One of them was lying. But hey guys, like I said, that's the stream for me. Like I said, beautiful trade, beautiful management. But unfortunately, we can't catch them all. I'm not gonna force a trade here on US30. It's Friday, and we are also, yeah, it's Friday, end of the week, so I'm not gonna force it. One bullet for me for the day. I'll see you guys again on Monday, and if you guys have not yet opened an account with Luxe Markets, there's the link pinned over there. You get 200% bonus on your deposit. And yeah, there should also be news coming out very soon regarding the offers that we're gonna start. But yeah, I'll see you guys again next week. Chriso, get in touch with me. Let's have a little chat. And yeah, much love, guys.
Telling no lies, I ain't telling no lies, I just 5, 4, 3, 2, that's time. I got to you that money, my dreams come true, my life in diamonds. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew? Turn 7 to a 14, 14 to a whole thing. Lord knows it's a cold game. Switched up on you hoes, man. Big body take both lanes. Backseat blowing propane. All black, fire gold chains. Young rich nigga bossed up on his own, man. My new shit sound like a soul train. Tookie Williams over Coltrane. Eric B by the rope chain. RC, we for show bang. Tiny Lokes and they go crazy. What you know about the dope game? Was you born in the 80s? Did your mama smoke cocaine? Have you ever seen the whole thing? Was you drove to the streets cause you grew up on show change? Fucked up when the dope age. It remind me when these rappers drop duds and they quotes change. Had to part with the low fade. I was standing in front of Knicks with my sack for the whole day. Drive-bys, that was road rage. And we park and hop out, learn levels to this whole thing. Old school play the OJs, trying to make a slow change. Mama still slaving for a low wage. Trying to double up, yeah. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies.